I guess they are like jealous sometimes, being speaking English, like doing all
Having blue
these successful
eyes.
videos. Oh yeah, charming.
Hi. Yay.
Hey, lovely morning.
Good morning. I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah, likewise.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. I actually was looking at your YouTube channel. You're so funny.
How did you find it?
You sent me the
Good.
link.
No, no, no.
Oh,
I mean, like, how? It's a tricky question, right? Come on,
that
English.
was that was ambiguous.
See, you need to do something with this.
Okay. Or you can either say that it was ambiguous, or you could say that your teacher is stupid. Either one.
No, no offense.
I'm
You're
kidding.
brilliant.
So, so yes, I just thought that it was really funny.
Yeah. This is my personality, actually.
You've had some pretty interesting conversations over the years.
Oh yeah, it's a long journey. I started. Um, at least I go like with 5 minutes conversation after like the rest of the session. No, I was telling like just um you know single words.
Wow, that is incredible. But you've been committed to the goal, I think, and it shows. That being
Mm.
said, how did you feel brave to start a YouTube channel? Like how did it develop into what it is? Like what was your journey?
um Actually, I just started like posting these videos. I posted like my first video and I was a little bit intimidated, like because going out there on social media or like YouTube, it's not like an easy thing. Even when someone like don't have like these features, but I did, like I told myself, um YouTube has many YouTube channels and has many people there, so who's gonna watch me? Let me watch myself only, like, because I like to see myself on YouTube more than like open up Cambly and watch my sessions. And then overnight my first video got 25K. I said, what?
Wow,
Yeah.
that's crazy. I mean, did you do any like marketing around it?
At first, no, I didn't do anything, just posting my videos and sharing my experience. And I was like spontaneously, like, doing this. So people like these videos. Why? Because they like to see people who are like just acting normal. I like those YouTubers. What are you doing? Are you like taking notes on me? What are you
I am.
doing? Oh yeah. So what did you write? What did you write? Tell me. He's a YouTuber. Okay, and then tell me.
No, the thing is, I meet so many students, right? And I just like key points. I think relationships are important.
Hmm.
Some people have left Cambly for like a year and a
Hmm.
half and come back
Yeah.
and called
Oh
me
yeah.
again and said
Mhm.
something like, "Do you remember me?" And I'm like,
Uh, who are you?
um, also, I teach like 20 students a day, every day since 2018. So I'm sorry to
Gosh.
hurt your feelings, but no, you
Oh
know.
my
So
goodness. 20 students a day. But you won't forget this face. You know why? Because I put my magic on my tutors. So you won't. You won't. You
listen to
never.
you. You have the secret sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
with a little seasoning, spices. You'll never forget.
We always tend to talk about food in our lessons. I'm trying to divert from that topic. I want to ask you,
Okay.
um, how do people in your society feel about tattoos?
Tattoos. They are crazy nowadays about tattoos. Yeah. Yeah, they do. In like in all Iraq, they like tattoos. I can see you have a tattoo there out there, but you hide it with your hair, right?
I have a few. Like I have one over here. I have one over here. I have
Uh-huh.
one some over
Okay,
there.
what is
I
this?
have
It is like Mortal Kombat sign or something? Oh yeah! Wow! Look at
no.
you!
It's not a Mortal Kombat sign. Can you
Oh,
see it?
it's not?
That is so funny. I even forgot what it's called. It's a it's a yin yang. The Mortal Kombat sign. That's so funny. I loved playing Mortal Kombat when I was younger. My parents did not allow us to go to the store, like the
Mm-hmm.
cafe down the road, too
Yeah.
often because we did not grow up in a bad neighborhood, but it was we grew up in a pretty good one. But it was sort of perceived
Mm.
that people who hung out at the store were like problematic or delinquents, right? So we were
Yeah.
never allowed to do that. However, they had this arcade Mortal Kombat
Mm-hmm.
game, and my favorite character, his name was called Sub-Zero because he could like freeze everybody.
I was about to tell this. That's not zero.
Yeah, and
Please.
exactly. And I used to stand at that arcade like when I was like 9 or 10, like play that game. It was so crazy. I think that's the
Yeah.
only sort of gaming experience that I have.
So let me show
Um,
you. I just
okay.
played Mortal Kombat on PS5 a few days ago with my son because he is crazy about PlayStation. And I took this. Can you see it?
I can. Oh my goodness. Is
I
that your
posted
hand?
a story.
You posted a whole story.
Oh yeah,
Oh my goodness. Just bring it.
like
Yes, now I can see
oh,
it a bit better. There we go.
I know the lights. It's
Oh
annoying.
my goodness.
Yeah,
Not really. It's not annoying. It's just light. I
it
love
annoys
it.
you, because you're not watching it, not seeing it.
No, it
Um,
doesn't annoy. Oh, it
ah,
annoys you. It's probably like a ring light at the back of your device,
actually, it's not a ring light because
like
it's
in
old
your eye.
fashioned, to use a ring light. Yeah, man.
You are exposing my age. I'm too old.
No. But I take like things as a professional, because I'm a YouTuber and I need to like develop my work. But for you, it's totally fine to use ring light,
No, I'm using natural light. I just have
natural
really
light.
good lighting in my home.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So I
Mm-hmm.
don't need to use many other lighting systems. So what lights do you use?
Um, like I don't know what do they call it, but they use it like the photographers,
Ah, like
the
that light with the
umbrella.
cover.
Yeah, with the
Okay.
cover. Yeah, and I
You
put
do
it like
know the name, you
twice.
just don't want to tell me.
I,
we'll call
yeah,
we'll call
like you
it
don't
the
know the
umbrella
name
light.
either.
No, let me see.
Mm.
I'm going to Google it. I did not Google it in time.
Are we
I'm going
going
to Google.
to be photographer?
Let me see what it's called.
Yeah. But are you going to write to ask Google what the
I
thing that the photographer
I
used for
should.
the light?
No, let me show you. Let me share my screen and
and,
then I'll
and
show you.
Google be like, huh? What do you want?
Google
Go
is
and
the
ask
worst.
ChatGPT.
I googled
Okay.
umbrella light.
Ah,
So
yeah. This is mine. Yeah, just like my
it's called a
light
photography studio lighting.
studio. Mm-hmm. If I said photographer studio lighting, you wouldn't figure out. Really?
I would. By
I
the
am.
way, I used to work in production before I
Mm.
started teaching. So I used to do like styling for
Mhm.
magazines and commercials and things like that. So I use like premium brands like your Chanel or Gucci, not
Mhm.
Alexander McQueen, like those sort of like Jimmy Choo, those high end brands. I used to do styling for them. So I spent a lot of time in the studio with the professional photography umbrella light, but just did not know the name.
Yeah. And now you are using all the ring light. See?
I don't use a ring light. I don't have
Gotcha.
a ring light.
You don't even have ring light.
I
You
don't
are
own a
using
ring
just
light.
of the sun.
I should
Yeah.
have a ring light.
Hmm.
Um, so
So
Cambly
okay,
have asked, yes,
if you
continue.
have like okay, if you have like let's say classes during the night and you don't have like the sunlight, what are you going to do with this?
I'm going to switch on my light in my ceiling. Look there. Let me show it to you. Wait, I cannot see if you can see it. Can you see that?
I can see, yeah. It's so romantic, to have such a
Very.
lights like this. Yeah. Is it is it like the light of the sun, or white? Yellow or white?
Uh, oh, so these lights are,
Mm-hmm.
let me turn it on and see.
Okay.
I think it's not bright yellow, but it's not fluorescent. So throughout my home,
Mm-hmm.
the color of the lighting changes depending on how the sunlight comes in. So here it's like a
Uh-huh.
whitish yellow. It's not fluorescent, but it's not yellow light. In my dressing room, it's fluorescent light. So I
Mm-hmm.
can see myself like when I need to fix my face, I want to see it
Mm-hmm.
properly. And then in
Yeah.
my bathroom is like also a mixture of white light and a bit of blue light because a lot of sun comes in there. So I try to pay attention to the lighting in my house. Yes. I think I should just get a photography light. It will make my life a lot less complicated, don't you think?
Yeah, you will get like people ask you, are you a Hollywood actor or something? Because of the lights on you.
Okay.
Hmm.
Um,
I have a
it doesn't
question.
look. Yes,
Sorry, I interrupted you twice.
it's
I'm
okay.
not
Ask me
gentle.
the
Okay.
question. It's probably more interesting than your question is probably more
Uh,
interesting than what I have to say.
oh, okay. Uh, did you show up on magazine or something? Because you mentioned about like did like an advertisement.
No, I did not. My goodness. I did not, I was not like talent. I just did the styling, like the wardrobe behind it. However, I
Mm-hmm.
have like for my own business that I have done like a couple of media appearances, yes.
Uh-huh.
But nothing super significant.
So you're not afraid of being in front of camera, right?
No.
Wow, that's very good. That's explain.
I mean, how do you like take the criticism? Like I wish we had more time. Like when people comment on your videos and people don't always have something positive to say. How do
Oh
you
yeah.
manage that?
Um, I don't get that much criticism. I got all motivation from my people, but yeah, I got a few of them. But I guess they are like jealous sometimes, being speaking English, like doing all
Having blue
these successful
eyes.
videos. Oh yeah, charming.